Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. On the silver chart we have a largely unchanged situation. Price could still be coming down here in this wave 2 correction. I'm thinking about it though, is this not an ABC but maybe a WXY structure? And in the Y wave here an ABC. I think that works better. This could be an ending diagonal, but it's pretty massive for a fourth wave. So maybe let's change the wave count here in this video. But please be aware that nothing else has changed really. We still reacted to the golden ratio. In fact, we already reacted in a way to our trend reversal area now the second time that it would have generated two profitable trades. This support area was well known before we reached it. So anybody who really used this maybe to scale into silver future positions or so, this would have generated a profitable trade because price rallied off the top of our support area around about 6% and came back into it. Even here, if anybody entered again, even though it's only a small profit, but chances are you might have entered here the golden ratio or scaled in, then you would also be in profit. So manage risk because so far the price has not rallied in an impulsive fashion, only corrective. So it suggests one more low is to come. Yeah, but let's just switch. This is, doing those micro counts in the corrections. Be aware that that can always change because there are several corrective structures. In Elliott wave, whereas there is really only one impulse, but we have a WXY maybe, certainly one interpretation here, and then an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Now we could even put the wave 1 here, that works as well, and then we have a nice A, B, C in wave W. But it wouldn't change the fibs because this is basically a double top. WXY and I don't have a confirmed top in place for this B wave. This could even stretch higher. The B wave itself could, the way this looks at the moment, be a WXY structure within a B wave. So could be a wave W, a wave X, and a Y wave in wave B. And if we use Fibonacci extensions to calculate the end for wave Y, then you can see that we have reached already the 100% extension at 23.21, reacted to it already twice. So this is an ideal spot to turn around if it wants to do it. But you can see just by using trend lines, you can see that it's forming some kind of an ascending wedge formation. These would typically break to the downside. So it depends on how you draw this trend line. But there are definitely a few ways of doing this. It's always a bit subjective, but these ascending wedge formations, they tend to break to the downside and it looks very corrective. So at the moment, one more low would be preferred. Yeah, this could be a leading diagonal, okay? As I said before, we expect a turnaround somewhere in this area. In a leading diagonal, you can never trust leading diagonals. So if price is bottomed here already, the golden ratio, and it's respecting the fib levels. It did respect here the 50% fib and here the golden ratio. In a leading diagonal, we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it breaks below the lower boundary line of this wedge, then we might have a 1-2 setup we can watch for. So if it pulls back, if we have a signal that it pulls back and is forming a higher low, then this could be a reversal pattern. And if it then rallies above the leading diagonal's top, then we could look at further upside. Until then, due to the not very impulsive price action of the 23rd of June low, we have to be skeptical and one more low is certainly likely. But overall, this is the support region where this wave 2 should ideally finish. I'm observing this for you, but so far not really any change. These are all corrective rallies that we have seen so far. So I cannot confirm a low in place at this stage, but maintain a view that this is a larger bullish scenario, which is valid as long as we're holding $21.15. All right, that's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.